In Italy, I tried to. I was very interested because I read the critic on Primo Levi and other author who wrote about him. So I wanted to read it in the original language about a Jew who was engineer in chemistry, and after he survived in the concentration camp, he began to write about what happened.
And what was in Primo Levi writing? What caught your attention? Why did you choose him among others?
Well, he is one of the survivors, and there are not so many people. Firstly, and less who could talk about it or write about it. I know talking was even more difficult, and writing was as a medium to express, maybe, to relieve, or for some of people just to give something to the generation so we could remember. I think remember and memory is very important, because as long as we remember, everybody of us, what happened, we will try not to repeat it. As soon as we forget about it, we will repeat again and again. And history repeats. It doesn't matter how often, but it repeats in years, 100 years, or what we have.
And did it bring you more closer to the Jewish culture, or just to the general human studies?
Both. Well, through Jewish studies, which I do now in my as a PhD student, and it's Slavic Jewish studies, I can understand better not only the Jewish culture, but my culture and the world's culture, if you could say, like some events or history, or maybe just I try to compare everything, and sometimes it doesn't match, but I just have these things in my head, and I think, oh, it's just like we had it already, why does it repeat? Yeah, but anyway, I think one of the greatest cultures, the Jewish, and one of the oldest religion, one of the oldest written languages, which is still we know, and I think less than half of citizens on our earth know we have 2 languages for Jewish culture. If you would ask, yes, I think people don't know Yiddish and Hebrew, because mostly you think about Hebrew and Yiddish. Yes, came from Middle Age and the same level as the German developed just from another culture, and it's quite interesting. I like to learn more about things the majority try to forget.